on Hero TV when I saw their commercial about a certain anime that they were going to produce. I don't know if it was Beck or is it Sir? I don't know. I don't know. What else?
Why are you here?
I'm here because I want to be a professional voice artist.
How did you come? Diba you won?
Right. I won the contest, which I didn't expect that I would win it.
Alam niyo, siguro I have more than 30 scholars nandito sa 80 Voices. Most of them talaga nasa industry. Because if I can see someone may potential, talagang pupunin ko siya. Although you have to compete. You have to compete in a voice acting competition. Sobrang dinaanan niyo, di ba? Scary ba? Scary?
Scary po.
In front of more than 2,000 people, you have to perform. On the spot, talagang walang script. Bahala sa buhay mo. Create your own character. So doon lalabas yung kung sino magaling. Tama? Hindi mo kailangan na script. Si Ricky nakikita ko na potential sa mga animation na gagawin ko soon. Kasi karamihan ng mga ginagamit ko ngayon sa projects. 90% are my students. 90%. Mind you guys. Kasi tapos na ako sa kanila eh. Kaya nga kayo nandito, gusto ko kayong tulungan. Pero tulungan niyo rin yung sarili. It doesn't mean na graduate kayo dito, magiging magaling kayo. You will just learn and experience something new at something significant in your voice acting or voiceover career soon. But mind you guys, we don't want you to make this as your career. Yun yung rule number 1 na. Hindi kayo